not.
Well,
We have
sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing.
It's now
in my head.
midnight, and Colleen, Sue, and I, and my father, and a friend of mine, Neville, we will be taking the boat out tomorrow. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sail. We've sailed upwind, up the channel from the island of Kos, between island of Kos and Turkey. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Don't you coming over? Stop making a fool out of me.
And trying to get everything together so that we can go on this trip. It's gonna be a pretty long trip, so we need to have some important things. Bathing suit. And they're trying to figure out where the Coca-Cola is. Did you find any Coca-Cola?
Nope.
No, I think they're upstairs.
There is some iced tea, maybe about 5 iced teas, and we have 4 or 5 beers.
Beers?
They're not cold. We're gonna buy ice though. We have to. We are exiting the building currently. We're loading up the Chrysler so that we'll go to the boat on the Chrysler. My dad's got his door open. Hello. So what about this sail trip? Can you tell us where we're going from?
We're going from Yalikavak straight to Bodrum Marina.
Straight. Okay.
I would have assumed so. We might do a quick stop off at Gümüşlük, but I
We might do just a swim stop.
7-8 hour straight journey to Bodrum Marina is ideal.
I see.
It's my input on the vlog.
And what about you?
What about me? I'm sitting there, but go to center, Bodrum Center.
No, Yalikavak Center.
Now you're
Right
talking
now,
about now.
yeah.
Okay, now we're
And
going
then from
to
there, where are we going?
from Yalikavak to Bodrum Center.
And do you think it'll be good for us?
Yeah.
Do we have a good captain?
Yeah, Aaron Solu, our captain is.
Yeah, the big man.
The big man.
I can't hook this in.
Yeah.
Could you do it for me?
The boat has been parked right here. It's been here for about a week now. We brought it from Bodrum. And as you can see, there's large yachts, small boats, that sort of thing. And this is our means of transportation. We also have a dinghy under the boat, but this is the main means of transport, and this is our vehicle for carrying that.
And the way you like to dress, won't you come over?
There's too much broken beer glass. I'm really afraid of these.
Won't you come over?
Look at this. Now the boy is going for to pick it up the dinghy, and then they will come back with dinghy. Let me check the weather. I like it.
Having a great time.
I don't know.
There's a boy around the town who whispers in your ear. He'll take you out and take you down underwater where it's clear. If he can break you once, he can break you twice. He can make you run, he can make you hide. He's a snake, he's a charmer, he's sneaking the faster you run, the longer.
We are currently at Akyarlar, as you guys can see from the speed of our dinghy. We're traveling at a fast speed. It's a pretty fast pace. we're going, well, we were just going at 6 knots, but I guess our sailor changed things up. We are going at 4.5 knots right now. We have a rock hurtling at us right over there. And we're going towards a small bay called Aquarium. We have Neville on the right side. We have Palinsu, the captain in charge, currently on the steering wheel. And we've got Ray's Bill.
Ray's Bill and his wife on the phone.
If he can break you once, he can break you twice, he can make you run, he can make you hide. He's a snake, he's a charmer, he's sneaking. The faster you run, the longer your life.
It's 23 knots.
Dümeninizi kaçırmayın. Now we're in pretty heavy winds. Oh, wind!
Can look you in the eye. You got a maniac on your side.
Finally, we came to Bodrum Center and we're jumping to our next episode. In this next episode, we are going to Marmaris, Akyaka for kite surfing, climbing, chilling with our friends, meditation, yoga,
And we had so much fun in Marmaris. Do not miss our next episode and listen our friend.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Hit the like button.
I want you. We can bring it on the floor. I've never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. I'm stoned in paradise, but we don't talk about it. I want you. We can